Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the Todoist tips and tricks for planning. So firstly, Todoist is a powerful task management app that can significantly boost your productivity. So in order to master Todoist basics, all you have to do is organize with projects and labels. You can use projects to categorize your task, example work, personal, health, and labels to add context, example home, urgent, or etc. You can also prioritize with priority labels, assigning it by P1, P2, P3 to tasks to indicate their importance. You can also set due dates and reminders. You can assign due dates to tasks to help keep track of deadlines. So you can personalize Todoist with different themes and views that suit your preferences and workflow system as well. You can use Todoist Karma to track your productivity streaks and celebrate milestones. This gamification feature can motivate you to stay consistent with task completion. Use Todoist reporting features to track your productivity trend, completed tasks, and productivity streaks over time. So by implementing these tips and tricks, utilizing a Todoist to its full potential, you can streamline your task management, increase productivity, and efficiently plan your activities in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.